Hello, and this is a special cleaning. I enjoy so much cleaning this type of rug. Nain Persian rug, high quality, one of the best in the market. Take a look how I clean it. The PetPeePee machine, the machine that I built it myself by hand from scratch, and I put together a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. So, Mr. Scott from California called me. He said to me, I have a Nain Persian rug, and it smells so bad from pee-pee. So I called my friend, he is Iranian, and he knows rugs very well. And I said to him, how am I supposed to clean this rug? And he said to me, whatever you do, don't let anybody clean the rug using a scrubber. So I start calling around, and I ask everybody, do you use a scrubber to clean it? And everybody say yes. And I start looking around, and I went to the internet. And here is one company. This is what he said to me. By the name PetPeePee, my company, with the video. And I repeated so many times in my video. Scrubber designed to clean the floor mat of front of Home Depot, not a Persian Nain Oriental rug, the highest quality. Can you compare the floor mat of front of Home Depot to this beautiful piece? Do you know what happens if somebody will use a scrubber on this rug? All the color will run, and the rug will look like a schmate. So, I clean the rug by using the organic odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea, and the result is 100% no trace of urine odor, no chemical smell, none. And the rug will be shine and beautiful looking and sharp as a brand new. Guarantee. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee urine odor removal.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Upon receiving the rug, I ask my customer, please go on your knees, put your nose wherever you want. Guarantee no trace of urine odor. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Thank you for watching.